Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And I know what you're thinking. I know. My hair looks huge, but we're going somewhere with this. So I wanted to do a video to try out the Ion Pro Steam Straightener. I've seen it in a lot of videos and I thought that it was something that was like really interesting and something that I would make good use of. So I was like, let me test it out and see how it is. So I kind of just like, not necessarily blew out my hair. I guess I blew it out a little bit, but the main purpose of it was to kind of make the roots a little bit straighter just because my hair is so curly that I wasn't sure if the straightener was going to get to it, because from the reviews that I read, they said that the steam is really hot, so getting too close to your root can burn you. So I was like, all right, let me just eliminate that and go ahead and try and straighten my hair a little bit. This is so crazy. I haven't seen my hair like this, and I don't even think I've ever seen my hair like this for too long. But I'm going to use the steamer. So we have this steamer here. And this is brand new. I haven't even used it yet. As you can see, the plastic is still on it, so we're going to take it off. And this steamer is intended to give you like a straight kind of blowout style. It's not supposed to be like a silk press idea. It's more so to straighten your hair while avoiding a lot of heat damage, because it uses the approach of steam to make your hair straight as opposed to just ceramic hot plates. There are ceramic bristles that are in here, but they're used as combs as opposed to plates to kind of like go through your hair instead of just like forcing your hair's natural texture to be straight. So I'm going to use this, and the temperature goes up to 450, but we're going to stay around 375, 400 because that's the recommended heat temperature to avoid heat damage. There's this little like tray here that you put water in. From what I've seen in other videos, you really need to only deposit water in here once, but we'll see, because as you can see, I have a lot of hair. So I already put the water in here, and the steamer comes with this little like bottle so that you could put water in here, and it looks like this. It has 30 milliliters of water to deposit in it or to pour in it. And I used about 20 milliliters, so we should hopefully be good on that. I just have a comb that I'm going to use to section out my hair, and then hair clips. And I'm also going to use Lotta Body's Illuminate Me Shine Mist as I go, just to put some moisture in my hair. Now, I washed my hair, I deep conditioned my hair, and I did a protein treatment in my hair before doing this, just because it's the end of the week and I typically like to deep condition my hair once a week, and I was in need of a protein treatment. So my hair's already treated. The only product that's in here, and there's such a little amount of product in here, is Lotta Body's Hydrate Me Moisturizer, and I put like maybe like a dime size amount and section my hair into 4 pieces and put a little bit in it. But other than that, there's nothing else in here. I'm going to detangle my hair as I go, and let's see how this turns out. For whatever reason, this side of my hair feels a lot rougher than this side does. I accidentally put a little bit of hydrating shampoo in here, so that might be why, and I didn't want to wash it out because it was going to take forever to blow it back out. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to leave it in here and put more conditioner in it. So I feel like that's why it's rougher. I don't know. It's really annoying, but we're going to use it anyways, and we're going to see what happens. So let's get to it. we finished, and I cannot believe how my hair turned out. So I slicked down my edges a little bit just so it didn't look so crazy. But I am so shocked at how the steamer straightened my hair. Um, I need to get my ends cut, so please don't mind this part. This is inevitable. This would have happened with the flat iron or anything. But look how straight this is. And this is without a blow dryer. This is without a flat iron. This is literally just having my hair dry and passing the steamer. Now, again, I want to stress that this is not a tool, at least for natural hair people, this is not a tool that's going to get your hair silk pressed or silky straight. I'm not saying that. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is if you want a break from your curls, a break from your natural hair, if you want to do flexi rods or you want to do a protective style, but you want your hair to be stretched out or straighter than usual, this is it. Like, this steamer was so great, and I used this on 375 the whole time. So if I would have put it to 410 or 430, it probably would have been even straighter. I just didn't want to put so much heat on my hair. So with just the bare minimum 375, I was able to achieve this look of straightness, and I am satisfied with it. I think this is awesome. As I was watching some of people's videos, they were saying, like, be careful with your roots because your roots can get burned by the steamer. So I was hesitant to put this towards my roots at first. But then what I realized is people are probably not following instructions, because on the instruction manual, it says to keep the side of the steamer that has the steam, how can I explain it? So on this side of the steamer, right over here, there's like this open layer, this open space, and that's what allows the steam to come out. On the instruction manual, it says to keep that side of the steamer away from your head. So as you're straightening your hair, you want to have the blank side facing outward so that that steaming area is also facing outward, because what happens is if you have it facing this way, all that steam that's coming out is hitting your head, and that's how you get burned. So I think that's what people were experiencing, because I was putting this to my head, and literally the only time that I would feel like a burning sensation or as if I was almost getting burned was when I was twisting the steamer and the steamer went my way. But other than that, I was really impressed with how this even straightened my roots, because, I mean, it's not super silky straight, but for there to be no flat iron involved, like, this is great. This is amazing. So amazing. I had to refill this, though, just because I needed more water. I don't know. Some people were able to do it without, but I think it was because I was taking a little bit of break. So this took me about 15 minutes each side, and that's because I was going over things over and over, just because that's how I am. But for someone who wants to do something quick and is not pressed about going over their hair, this literally can take you 20 minutes or even under 20 minutes. This took me 30 minutes, and that's because I was lollygagging. I think this is awesome. This is a great alternative if you're into having like that big, not so silky press, thick look. This is what you should go for. This retails for, on Amazon, it's about like $65. At Sally's, it's like $80 or $79, $75. It's like a $10, $15 difference. I got this from Amazon, and I'll definitely be using this again just because it was so quick, and I wanted a break from my curls just because it's getting colder outside, and just having to wake up every day and do my hair can be a lot. So I'm so happy that I used this. So check this out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, this is awesome. Until next time. Bye.